I'm going to show you people how I make apple cider vinegar. Here is 6 apple. We are going to use 1/4 cup of this raw sugar. So let's start. I've already washed the apple already. I've washed it already. Everything here is washed already. So I'm going to chop it. So we're going to take this out. So we're going to take this out. So we're going to put it in the bottle. Oh, is enough. Let me put this aside. Now you're going to put the sugar in. So you're going to put the sugar here. This sugar here. You're going to put it in.
What's that? Sugar.
Yeah. So you're going to put the water in. If you are not using spring water, like bottled water, put the water you're going to use in a bowl and expose it till the next day that you're going to use it. By then, the chlorine in the water would have gone down because chlorine doesn't go well with fermentation.
The apple and water.
Which water do you want? This one? No, this one is for apple, okay?
Apple?
Go get a cup. Get your cup. Get your
What's
cup.
that? What's this?
It's apple. We're doing apple cider vinegar. Go get your cup. Get your cup. Get your school cup for me. Let me put water for you. No. You want some water?
Let's have some big one, please.
Okay, hold on. No, we don't want this your water in there. Hold on, wait. Bring it in water for you. Wow. That's enough. Now take. You want water, right? Take. Go. So we go. When you have kids, just know anything can happen when you're filming. No, use this to cover it and let it ferment. And you use this to wrap it up. But if you don't have, you're not going to cover it. We're not going to cover it. You're going to leave it and let it ferment for 30 days. You're going to let it ferment for 30 days. So this cover, you're going to keep it so you don't lose it. But don't cover it. It's when after fermentation and everything, that's when you sieve it, then you cover it. After 30 days, we're going to open it together. Okay? This is all you have to do. Now, I'm going to keep it. Look at what you've done. See it? You leave it to ferment. This is our apple cider. For 30 days, you're going to put a long spoon to stir the apple and cover it back. Clean on top of the bottle if you see anything you don't like there that's like it dirty, and cover it back for fermentation for 30 days. Have a good one.